Hey guys, Julie here and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm taking part in a spring kitchen vignette challenge that is being hosted by Denise from This and That with Denise Jordan. We were given the challenge to make a spring vignette, which is basically a little spring scene in our kitchen. And she also gave us 4 guidelines that we had to follow for our vignette, which was number 1, we had to use a tray so that we can move it around, being that it's in the kitchen. Sometimes you don't want your decorations in the way. So if you put it on a tray, you can move it to a table or wherever else you might need to move it. Secondly, it had to include spring flowers, which is quite obvious of a reason because she wanted to bring some spring inside. Thirdly, we had to use either a bird or a bunny. And fourth, we had to include something with words. So if you're looking for some ideas for decorating your kitchen for spring, then make sure you keep watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not one of my subscribers so you don't miss any future decorating videos. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you again for watching and enjoy.
So I started with this Better Homes and Gardens tray. It's a mirrored tray that I got from Walmart. And then I added this white cake stand just to give some height. Then I added this mint and white check kitchen towel that I got from Michael's. It adds a little bit of the mint green, but I also used it because it breaks up the white on white. As you're going to see, I'm about to put a white bunny on the cake stand. And here's the cute little white bunny pot that I got from TJ Maxx. Then I just took this yellow hydrangea flower that I had in storage and stuck it in the pot. Then I took these 2 pieces of wood that I had and stacked them up in the back of the tray. Again, it was to give height to this tin candle, this rosemary mint candle that I also got from TJ Maxx. These 2 nests were from Michael's, and I just laid them in the tray. For the words, I used this Romans 16:13 verse, and I actually just cut it out of a card that I had and folded it in half. And I really like the little touch of pink that it adds.